ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯇꯣꯞ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯞꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 10ꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯇꯔꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯂꯦꯞꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 10 ꯀꯝꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝ ꯑꯣꯟ July 3 ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯝꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯖꯨꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 3ꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯗꯦꯠꯁꯤ ꯖꯨꯟꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 10ꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯊꯣꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯔꯤꯃꯥइंडिंग that the compartmental examination 2019 will be conducted on July 3. Secretary of Board of Education Manipur BOSEM Dr. Sithung Mary Thomas conveyed that the last date of form fill-up for the said examination is June 20. Briefing media person at the conference hall of BOSEM, Sithung Mary Thomas further stated that the compartmental examination will be conducted in 17 examination centers and a school which are yet to obtain mark sheet from the board to collect the same before June 11. Students who will appear in the CE will need their mark sheet at the time of fill-up, she said. District Exam Center School of Senapati moi exam center su loina pithoe sida ko exam center 13 moina pigane haire aduga exam ki appear tobu matamda nangi mark sheet to puraga lakadabane form fill up tobu matamda form fill up tobu matamda nangi mark sheet to so paigedabne habako aduga magi exam center loina haire Senapati gi DHQ gi Kangpokpi DHQs Ukhul and Kamjongi Ukhul DHQs Chusampur and Faisal Chusampur DHQs Sandel and Tengopal Sandel DHQ Tamenglong and None Tamenglong DHQs Jeribam DHQ CE compartmental examination for school in Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Kaksing and Bishnupur district will be held at Imphal, she said. A total of 4,051 including 2,118 female candidates will appear in the CE. The result is likely to be declared on July 10, she said. She added she informed that the candidates who want to see their answer script through RTI should apply for scrutiny. मागी कनो तौबसे एग्जाम रिजल्ट आउट तौबसे जुलाई की तांग 10 अदाई तौदु माल हारे लो इन्फॉर्मेशन लोइने पीरे एग्जाम सेंटर सिंग लोइने पिथुए मोइसित को एग्जाम सेंटर हाइदी एग्जाम सेंटर तौगदब जगह सिंग लोइने पिथुए एग्जाम करकान तौगदुबा अद फॉर्म फिल अप लास्ट डेट सिंग मतम लोइने पीरे मैम यिंगसिन बिरो सित को थैंक यू